This is Bento Mom! ちょっと寂しい Today I'm gonna make Gyutan steak. Gyutan is cow's tongue. It's very popular in Sendai. It's a little bit chewy, very tasty. So I'm gonna make side dish first. Cabbage and cucumber pickles. Very good combination with cow tongue. Put in a bag. So like this. This is some water, salt, and I put some sugar too, a little bit. Okay, I think it's enough. Leave it for a while. Next, this is cow tongue. We freeze this for a few hours to make it easy to cut. So let's cut it. We love 6 slices, so make it like this, half inches maybe. So now I make a hidden cut like this. Okay, so now time to eat. Tender than I think.
This is yummy. Very killer.
오이시!
Okay.
嬉しいね。
美味しいね。
肉厚。
なんかついてるよ、ほっぺに。
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!